See, told you, be right back. Now, realize I just got stung by a wasp. And I'm gonna climb this ladder and we're gonna look at these bees for a minute. And as long as I don't disturb their nest, they are not gonna attack me. Now, if one of them landed on me because they're gonna check me out, and they already are, and I were to kill one of them, they'd set off pheromones or whatever it is, and all these guys would start stinging me. But like I said, I'm looking, and I'm gonna pull you up close because I think that there is a queen somewhere in this batch, and she's gonna be covered up. I don't think there's a hole in here. I don't have my suit, I don't have gloves, I don't have anything. But I think the queen is near the bottom of this. Whoops, I'm sorry, stucco. I'm not looking through the camera, I'm looking above it. So that's not a hole there. I don't think they're going in a hole. I think they're just rotating around. I know, probably some of you that's just like really irritating if we're this close. I'm about a foot away from them, and I'm gonna watch this video and see if I see the queen in there. But I just don't think they're coming down in there. All right. I don't know if y'all can see, but my eye is swollen, and that's just from a wasp sting. Their evil cousin. Can't stand those guys.